Now we are going to learn about the new constant called fine structure constant. This constant, fine structure constant alpha, that is given in the textbook for the first time. So first we have to derive the expression for fine structure constant. Later we have to prove that the fine structure constant is a dimensionless number. Dimensionless number. Are you clear? Very important one. First we have to learn the definition. What is fine structure constant? Here we have to find out the ratio between two velocities. V1 means speed of the electron in the first orbit in the hydrogen atom. V1 is nothing but speed of the velocity of the electron in the first orbit in a hydrogen atom. That is to be divided by speed of the light. The ratio of speed of the electron in the first orbit of the hydrogen atom, if it is divided by speed of the light, you will get a constant. That constant is called fine structure constant. That we have to prove it as dimensionless number. How to start the derivation? That is a very important one. Already we have derived the expression for Vn. What is Vn? Velocity of the electron in the any orbit that can be measured by Vn. The speed of the electron in any orbit can be measured by using this expression. Bohr radius, its expression is also A naught is equal to epsilon naught h square divided by pi m e square is already derived. So in velocity expression A naught is there. So this A naught must be replaced by this expression. So here in the next step that A naught is replaced and substituted. After deriving, finally you are getting the new expression for velocity of the electron in the nth orbit. Here z e square divided by 2n epsilon naught h is there. Just for mathematical convenience, multiply by 1c and divide by 1c. Are you clear? So this is the just for adjustment I have done. Here what we have to do now, we have to separate certain factors. Now I am going to write the new expression, that is Vn by, what is this? Vn by, from that expression I have to write Vn by c is equal to z e square whole divided by 2n epsilon naught hc. In that format it could be written. Here certain things that can be taken out, that z and n both can be taken out. So how it can be written, tell me? So here z e square can be written within the bracket 2 epsilon naught h c, all are constants. So everything can be written within the bracket. The rest of the things z and that n both can be written outside. Are you clear? Here this part, is it clear? This part must be taken as, what is this? It's a constant that can be written as alpha. Okay, that is called as alpha. Okay, so that alpha is a constant. Vn divided by c is equal to, this part can be eliminated by alpha. Okay, and here, as I have told earlier, this part is eliminated by the constant called alpha, and the rest of the factors are z and n. Are you clear? Now, in the case of hydrogen atom, we know about the value of z, atomic number of the hydrogen is 1, electron it is revolving in the first orbit, the principal quantum number value is 1. Substitute here, Vn divided by c is equal to alpha, and then instead of z substitute 1, here also you can substitute 1. Are you clear? Now we are going to calculate the value of alpha by using this expression. Which expression? This expression. Here alpha is nothing but this factor, e square divided by 2 epsilon naught hc. This is the factor called alpha. Are you clear? Now substitute all the known values, all are constants. 1.609 into 10 to the power of minus 19, that must be squared whole divided by 2 into epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12, that is epsilon naught value. Planck's constant value is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Are you clear? C value, speed of the light. The speed of the light value is here, that should be written as 3 into 10 to the power of 8. If all the values are substituted and calculated, you will get the value of alpha. That alpha is nothing but V1 divided by C. Are you clear? Its value is 1 by 137. So this is the value of alpha. This one may be asked in the examination. Alpha, it does not have any unit. It's a dimensionless number. This one is called dimensionless number. Since it is introduced for the first time, there may be a chance for asking this question. So alpha is called as fine structure constant. Its value is 1 by 137. It is a dimensionless number. Alpha is nothing but ratio of the speed of the electron in the first orbit to the speed of the light. Okay.